Hello everyone, it's Michelle here again. To make your gift tags, you'll require 3 layers of fabric. One for the outer, one for the inner, and a layer of wadding. I've used calico for the one side so it can be written on, and you draw your lines whatever size you want. Mine are 7 by 10 centimeters or 4 by 3 inches approximately. Using a small zigzag stitch and back tacking at the beginning and end of each tag, go around each tag inside your pencil lines. You need to leave enough space to cut your tags apart without clipping your stitches. Remember, if you're using pinking shears, you will need to leave a little bit of extra space between your tags. Once you've stitched all of your tags, cut them apart. Make a hole in one of the top corners, either with an awl or pair of scissors or a punch, and thread through your ribbon or your string. And there they are, all cut out, ready to be added to your gifts. I've used fabric pens to write onto my tags, but you can use a normal pen or a pencil as well. If you're worried about it coming out, you could iron them very well. On my gift bags, I also include a little tag which explains that this is a reusable wrap and to please either reuse it or return it to me for repeat use. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, everybody.